Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start dropshipping with Shopify and AliExpress? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to connect your Shopify store with AliExpress using a free tool so you can import products you and start selling fast. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Shopify dashboard, click apps, then click App and Sales Channel Settings. From here, click Shopify App Store at the top right of the screen. Now search for desserts. Desserts. Here it is. This is the official AliExpress partner app. Now click Install from the left side corner and allow the permissions. You will be redirected to the desserts dashboard and click again Install. Now create a free AliExpress account if you don't have one. Just tap a new page or click login and authorize. Then click create account. Enter your email and set a strong password. Then click next. If you have already, just click sign in and enter your password and email address. Click login and authorize. Wait a few minutes. Then go back to the desserts dashboard and click authorize AliExpress. Then click confirm and link and authorize to AliExpress. If you haven't already an AliExpress account, just click don't have an AliExpress account. Now you can sign in with your Google account, Facebook account, and Twitter, or more options like Apple account. I will choose my Google account from here. Now select your Google account from here. Then click enable now. Now follow these steps. Then click submit. Once connected, this search will sync your Shopify store with AliExpress automatically. To find products, go to the search and click the AliExpress icon. Now follow the process, like sign into your account again. Now browse or search for a product you want to sell. When you find one, click add to import list from the search dashboard. When you are logged in, then go to your import list, then edit the product title, description, images, and set your pricing. Click push to Shopify to publish it to your store. When someone places an order on your Shopify store, it will show up in desserts. Simply click place order and desserts will autofill everything on AliExpress for you. Now you can even process orders in bulk, no copy pasting needed. In desserts, go to settings, settings tab. It's look like that. Then click pricing rule to automate your profit margin. For example, you can set a 2x markup on all products. Also check your shipping settings to ensure products are shipping from the right country with affordable delivery times, like ePacket or AliExpress standard. Once your order is shipped, the search will auto update the tracking information in Shopify. Now you can also customize email notifications to keep your customer updated. Now, let's talk about why use Desserts. Desserts is a leading dropshipping solution that streamlines the integration between Shopify and AliExpress, making it an essential tool for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Here's why Desserts stands out. Official AliExpress partner. Desserts is officially partnered with AliExpress, ensuring seamless integration and reliable performance. This partnership allows users to process orders efficiently and access a vast network of suppliers. And that's how you connect Shopify with AliExpress using this search. Now you can find products, import them, and fulfill orders all in all in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.